So we have this nice box come today. Hey up. What have we here? I got a free bag. Very nice. Drawstring. I'll put that to the side. I've got a shawl pattern. And I've got 3-ply. I've never worked in 3-ply, I don't think, before. And some new needles. 3.5 millimeter. So that's nice then. Yeah, that'll be a nice project to keep me out of trouble. And in here, I got another piece of mail. I got a pram blanket and a matinee coat and hats and a cardigan pattern. And inside, I got some Peter Pan 4-ply and King Cole 4-ply and some King Cole double knitting to make the pram cover with. That's a nice lot to keep me out of trouble, I think. So that's what came in the mail today.